Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey guys, thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. If you're watching this, please hit the subscribe button. We would really appreciate it. It would help us out a lot. Stay tuned. We got a lot more for you in this episode. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Thursday. So, Big Ron's been working his butt off over here on our door for a 58 Apache. Let me just show you where he's at. I've been running around all day doing errands, taking people to doctor's visits and stuff. So here's where we're at. He went ahead and welded the inside of this patch panel, of this lower patch. You guys can kind of zoom out here. He welded the inside as well as the backside. Now the backside is ground down. I'll show you that in a second. And then he went over it with self-etching primer. And that's that kind of dark green you see there. What he's about to do is go ahead and paint this. Get some paint on this just to get something on it. And then we're going to start working on this panel, which... Oh, the other thing he did is he went ahead and trimmed this as well. If you guys remember, this had from about here to here was still that red patinaed crap. Actually, it's right here. He cut this off earlier. So that got cut off of the door, and now we're getting ready to paint in there. And then we'll hammer and dolly all of this and get that right. And then we'll get this back on here, screw it on, so on and so forth, and just keep moving towards getting this door back on that truck. Make sure that our lines look good on the bottom, and then we'll start thinking about tacking it on, and then we'll pull the door back off, weld it up, hammer and dolly the edges over, because you got to hammer and dolly these edges here over this. So we'll do that and just dial this door in, and then yeah, then that's done. You guys saw the fender here. I haven't done anything with it today, but just give you another look at this. She's looking all pretty. I did find something I'm about to order, actually. About to order two things. One of them, which honestly I don't need to order it, but I'm going to do it because it's so cheap. LMC Truck has the filler panel for the gas delete here. So that piece of metal with the right contour and the right everything for right there. It's like $3.95 or something like that. So probably $30 shipping, like Ron said earlier, but you know, we're gonna get that. And that way I can get the right one here and I don't have to mess with it, and then we can get that welded in. So that's gonna be coming. Hopefully we'll have that by the end of the week. And the other thing I'm going to do here is for Dad's 40 Ford. We have an issue, and really it's our own stupidity, self-created problem. When we put the automatic transmission into the 40, we put a used flywheel in it, and that flywheel is warped or bent, and it's hitting the starter or something. Every time you put it in gear, it just gets worse. So we thought we had fixed it with shimming the starter, but it's back. So we need to pull the tranny back and put a new flywheel in. So I'm going to call Summit, order a new steel flywheel for this, for Turbo 350. And when it gets in, we'll get it into here. So that's going to happen as well today. Here's your Volkswagen thing content. And I still got to give this a bath. It's terrible, but we'll get there. But that's where we're at, guys. I'm going to stop talking and start working. Help Ron out. We're going to get this painted here and then start getting this panel on. So stay tuned. I'll bring it to you in a minute. Hey, guys. Wanted to show you. We went ahead and flipped this door over. Wanted to kind of show you how we got this going here. Ron went ahead and welded and ground down most of this across here. This is what we're looking like so far. And there's still more grinding to do in this and the other before we're all said and done, but we are pretty close. And this will get bodyworked for sure. Being that there is no door panel per se, this is just gets paint. So we'll have to make that pretty, but it's pretty damn close. So just wanted to show you guys that. Sorry the light's terrible. But I think we're in a pretty good spot. So stay tuned, guys. Hey, guys. All right, so what we did is we sprayed some of the Eastwood Fast Edge on the door here, just this section here. That's the wet stuff you see. Ron's working it in. And basically, it's a acid, more or less, and it treats bare metal, right? It does metal conditioning. So we're going over this, trying to clean some of this up, and then in preparation for putting that patch panel on here. We just want to make sure we don't have rust coming back underneath it, right? So that's what we're doing. I just wanted to show you guys just something different you don't see a lot of. You don't see a lot of people doing this, but very, very important step here. So stay tuned, guys. And if you're looking for something that works, this stuff works really good. The Eastwood's Fast Edge, we like it a lot. So stay tuned. We'll be back in a minute. Hey guys, welcome back to Brown's Riding Custom. Wanted to just go over what we got done today. We're wrapping it up. So we went ahead and got this section of the door metal conditioned with the Eastwood Fast Edge. Ron went ahead and found some weldable primer and went along this edge. This is the edge that's going to be welded. That way there's something on it so that it doesn't rust in the future. We also went ahead and sprayed a coat of black paint inside the door here where he had welded and everything. That way there's not only self-etching primer, there's also paint and 415, so that this has a really good shot of holding up over the years, right? Especially in the conditions it's going to be in, which is in a garage, not in a field, riding away with, you know, weather. So should be really good here. Now tomorrow, this is going on. Okay, this patch panel is going to go right there. So going to officially say it tomorrow, that's happening. We are completely prepped, ready to go, ready for that. So the first thing we're going to do tomorrow is set this up just like you see it and get this on here. All right. And then we're going to get this on the truck. Make sure our lines match up, especially down here. We're worried about down here. We want to make sure this looks right. Okay. And then when we're good with that, then we'll go ahead and tack it on. And then we'll pull the door back off. And then we have to hammer and dolly these edges around, right? So it looks like, you know, kind of like that. We got to do that all the way around and then weld it up and do all the things. So lots going to happen tomorrow. That's where we're going to be. So stay tuned for that. I started messing with the fender for a second. I drilled out some pop rivets in the front that was holding some rusty, like pot metal down here. You can see the holes I got the pop rivets out of, but really just didn't get that far with it. So tomorrow I'll be back on this fender, Ron will be on this door, and we'll just really just start knocking this thing down. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys are having a great night, and we will see you in the morning.